Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and we have yet another SEO case study. Now this one is a little bit different in the sense of it's more primarily focused on leads and less so on the actual, e-commerce front. But nonetheless, SEO is a pretty broad service, and so we absolutely thought we could help them, and of course our work has shown true. So this is just some of their little search console traffic numbers in terms of their progress, and you can see from the moment that we started working with them around this period here in December, we managed to provide a consistent growth in not only impressions, which you can see grow quite quickly here and then maintained a steady growth path, but also clicks, which are quite closely aligned in good time. Once their on page was fixed, you can see the trending graph worked well. Now what does this mean? It means that not only were they more visible on Google, but also we supported them in having a better on page or website experience so that their conversion rate was pretty high as well. And so looking at the nitty gritty, these guys have really pushed quite well. One of the big areas that we had to help them with actually in this case was definitely their keyword strategy. Now they were already trying to do some SEO, which is probably quite likely for some of you watching this video, but they just didn't simply have the right buyer intent keywords, and they weren't looking at low hanging fruit, as well as looking at a mixture of other strategies and tactics to get them across the line to get that success ultimately. Now, once we adjusted these keywords, once we improved a really good link building strategy, we managed to revamp their site, and it ultimately led to a 41% increase in site traffic, with interestingly 42% of a higher conversion rate than what they started with. So we almost added another half in terms of what their revenue or conversion rate was, and we've almost added the same in terms of traffic just for an initial small campaign. Now, if you'd like to make that your campaign, we absolutely can. Feel free to just reach out to us below and we'll do that for you as well. Cheers.